Hi guys, hello and welcome to a whole new session of Wake Up and Makeup. I am Dr. S and today we're doing this amazing, easy, subtle daytime smoky eye look. Now if you've noticed, we've done a collaboration video with www.sarees.com. I will be linking everything in the description box below. Now they were really nice to let us review their website for them, and I think this sari was retailing for around 2000 bucks on their website, but you can check it out. They have a lot more variety than this. So I hope you totally enjoy watching this video, and for more such tips and tricks, please stay tuned and keep watching Wake Up and Makeup. So let's get right into the tutorial. Yes guys, so now I'm going to hydrate my face with the Makeup Revolution Fixing Spray. I love to hydrate my face with this because it just makes your makeup stay on for really long. And of course I'm going to moisturize my face because I'm feeling very dry these days, so I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime and making sure I can blend it well so my skin is really hydrated. Of course we all need primers in Mumbai, so this is the L'Oreal Magique base primer because it helps your makeup stay long. And of course we also need some under eye cream, so this is the Fast Response MAC under eye cream. It helps your concealer to stay on for long. Moving on to the foundation, my favorite, the Chanel Lumiere foundation. I'm going to use a new technique. This is something I learned recently. I'm going to dot the foundation all over my face and then I'm going to blend it with my fingers. I'm not going to blend it or mix it or anything. I'm just going to press it inside my skin. Now for this technique, you have to be very well hydrated in your skin, and it makes you look so naturally flawless. It makes you glow from within. So I love this technique and I'm recently applying my foundation like this only. And of course we need concealer, so I'm using my favorite MAC NC42 concealer. I'm going to conceal my under eye dark circles. Now if you have darker under eye circles, you can also use correctors and then concealers. Covering my blemishes and my acne, and of course the dry areas around my nose because it's very important to look perfect and flawless, not red of course. My brows are done, and now moving on to the eye makeup. I'm taking the Revlon Illuminance Cream eyeshadows in pink because I want a very subtle look as it is a daytime look. I'm going to apply it all over my lids. You see, only the eyeshadow also looks fabulous, but I'm going to give it a nice smoky twist to it. So this is my smolder, and I'm taking my smolder, that's a plain kohl by MAC. So you can take any normal kohl pencil and tight line your eyes and also give a very rough upper eyelid line. So once you have lined your upper eyelids with the kohl smolder pencil, it's very important to of course blend it. So I'm taking a fine tipped nice brush which I'm just going to very light handedly just blend inside the cream eyeshadow that I applied earlier. So it gives a nice gradient of colors and looks very subtle and smoky at the same time. So it's very important to have these amazing colors all blended well, because then only the smoky eye just turns out to be very perfectly smoked out in fact. And now I'm going to take all that glitters by MAC and I'm going to apply it, like in fact pack it on my lids. Now remember, you have to apply all shimmers on the mobile part of your lids, because when the mobile part of your lids move, it tends to look very nice and shimmer. And of course we all need transition colors, so I'm going to use a nice brown cocoa colored brown and my 217 brush, and I'm going to blend it nicely in my crease area so it makes that gradient of colors and looks very flawless, no harsh edges involved of course. Now it's very important to keep the whole look subtle when you're going out for a day look, because you don't want heavy smoky eyes and stuff. And now I'm taking a nice very light pink shimmer kind of a powder highlight, and I love this thing because it's not really picking up so well on camera, but in person it looks very nice because it has this nice shocking pink sheen to it, so I love it. And I'm going to also apply it in my inner corners to make my eyes just simply pop. I love this technique. And of course, now that we've done so much of blending, the kohl has disappeared, so I'm going to reline my upper eyelids because we want that depth and the darkness around the edge of the lid. And I'm going to of course blend it also. We'll pull the smolder over the lower eyelids also, because this is the ultimate effect of the smoky eye look. You have to pull that kohl or the darker eyeshadow to a lower eyelid, and also blend it well if you want that nice smoked out look to your eyes. It's very important. And I didn't do the whole lid, I just went halfway because it makes my eye look very open. Now taking my Ben Nye banana powder, I'm going to set it all with a fan brush. Now this is my favorite fan brush. I've got it from Vega, so I love this brush. It just gives right deposit of product. Now I don't know where I kept my sleek contour palette, so I'm using the Lakme Sunkissed bronzer. Believe me, I love the way this bronzer looked during the daytime. It looked just so flawless and perfect. I'm blending it away. See, because I have a oval face already, I don't need to really contour it much, but I have to look chiseled out. Now I'm not using the same bronzer, but I'm using a matte brown eyeshadow to contour my nose, and going in with a blush, a very nice pink toned blush. This is by BOB, I think. I'm going to just apply it all over my cheeks, and we all need some highlight. Now nothing really heavy on the highlight, but you should keep it very light because it's a daytime look. So blend it over your highlight high points of your cheeks, around your cheeks, so your pink of the blush settles down a little bit and looks very naturally flawless. And then my lips, and I'm using the YSL dupe that I have. It's my favorite matte pink lipstick. It's very important to wear matte during the day. You can wear some shimmers also, but I don't know why, but I love matte lipsticks, and they just look perfect on my lips, I think, because they're small. And once that's done, I'm gonna fix all this makeup. Of course, do not forget to put your mascara and your false lashes. I have already done that. And moving on to my perfume, I'm using the Davidoff Cool Water, my favorite perfume, and that's the finished look.